What's good, everybody? So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to detail the 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Tblade with another video.
This is Sparta!
Tblade.
So the first thing we do is go ahead and move everything out in the vehicle that you already had laying around. This umbrella. I already cleaned it like a few weeks ago, so it's not that much in here, but a few water bottles, receipts, and everything. You go ahead and take that all out first, so you don't have to worry about it getting stuck in your vacuum. I recommend having a trash can on hand. So the car's not actually that dirty right now, except for like the carpets and a little bit on the seats. More on the parts of the vehicle that I'm normally in. Alright, so I'm going to be using the shop vac today, but you can just use the normal vacuum, and this is the vacuum I just used for. Got that one from Target for about $10–15. So first I use the shop vac to clean all the carpets. So you're going to take the carpets out. I start in the back first. And take the carpets out of the bottom. Go ahead, shake them off, and then use the shop vac to get most of the dirt. So I'll spend about, I say 3 minutes on each mat, depending on how dirty it is. And I don't know if you can really see in the light, but there's no more dirt on there. So I'm gonna do that with all the rest of the mats, and then I'm gonna work on the trunk. Alright, so I cleaned everything, all the mats except for the front seat. Now the front seat has a little latch at the bottom of it, so I normally just move the shop vac to the front seat and clean the front seat while it's still in the car, so I don't have to worry about putting it back in and everything and messing with the latch. So we can go ahead and clean the front. After I do all the carpets with the shop vac, I go ahead and move to the seats, and I use the shop vac for most of the seats too. So I'm gonna show y'all that real quick. Okay, after you finish using your shop vac, pretty much everything should be out of there, all the bulky stuff, and then you're gonna move to your smaller vacuum and get all the stuff that you couldn't get with the shop vac that's like in the little crevices. And I recommend the vacuum that has one of the little end pieces you can get. I got this one from where did I get this one from? Or where did I get? Oh, I got this one from Target. So you can go to Target or probably Walmart, anywhere that has one of these smaller vacuums. This one's like $10, and then you get all the crevices and everything. So I'm gonna show y'all that real quick. Alright, now we're to the last part of the video. So what you want to do is go get you a towel from inside and rinse it in warm water and then wring it out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go inside of your vehicle and clean all the parts that dust may have got on. So like the wheel, the dash, and everything like that. And then after that, you just put your mats back in if you haven't already put your mats back in, and you're done. Alright, so now I'm finna go ahead and finish everything up so it'll go faster, so I don't have to be using one hand while I record, and then I'll just show you how the finished product. Alright y'all, so I'm all finished. It should take out maybe like 50 minutes to an hour. Alright, showed y'all the inside and everything. So y'all just go check out the rest of the videos. Hope y'all saw what y'all needed to see, and go to tblade.org. Go check that out too. Alright, peace.